Hey you guys, it's me, Delane. So I had a request for an unboxing video and I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in because I don't want this to be too long, but let me give you some background. I had wanted a pair of Mary Jane red bottom shoes for a while. I tried on a pair my sister has and they were so comfortable. So I had been searching for a while to try to get a good deal on this pair of shoes. And I went on Poshmark a few weeks ago and I found a pair that had never been worn. They were just tried on. So they had a few scuff marks on the red sole, but it was really nothing. So I made an offer on the pair of shoes and I was able to come to an agreement with the seller. And then I received them and they are so beautiful. Let me just go ahead and show them to you. So this is the pair of shoes. Now, as you can see, they came to me with this tag on. I've actually worn these once already, but they are so beautiful. And I don't have a box, I don't have the box that would come with the pair of shoes. And I don't have any of the dust bags for the shoes because I don't know what happened to them, but they came in a regular box and they were perfect. They were not worn. They are 100 millimeters in height for the heel, and they're really pretty. It's a leopard heel, and it's kind of a thicker block heel, so they're not uncomfortable at all. Now this little clasp here does not open. You just slide your foot right in each shoe. And they're actually a little bit higher than I wanted. I normally go for the 85 millimeter. And with these, I thought with the thicker heel, maybe they wouldn't be uncomfortable. And they really aren't uncomfortable, but they're just not necessarily the height I wanted. But they are just worn once by me. And I think, I don't want to talk price, but I received such an amazing deal on the shoes. I can't even imagine getting a better price, honestly. But this is how they look. It is blue velvet. It's beautiful. And here they are from the side, in the back. And the red soles. And they are absolutely gorgeous. I love how they look. Sometimes they look really dark blue, other times they look almost like an aqua, but can't really say a really dark color, but it just depends on how the light hits the shoes. But they are so beautiful and I think they were a great buy. But I just wanted to show them to you. I have a lot of space in my closet room and I'm slowly trying to purchase items off my wish list. So when I have my closet room built, I can put my, organize my shoes, my bags, my clothes. So I don't just randomly go out and buy shoes. I actually have wish lists, and this was high on my wish list. No. So, all right, well, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.